Hello friends, this is Ricky Chadha here. Now on the 22nd of February, so it is just a few days from now, there's going to be a power pack conjunction of Mangal, that is Mars, and Rahu, the North Node. Rahu, as per today, is in the sign of Taurus, in the nakshatra of Rohini. On the other hand, Mangal, Mars, today is in the sign, his own sign, Mesh in Hindi and Aries in English. Mangal is in the nakshatra of Kritika and shall remain in the nakshatra of Kritika even after taking a transit on the 22nd of this month, few days from now. Now the reason what I want to share with you is this particular yoga, yuti of Mars and Mangal together in one sign is called as Angaraka Yoga. It's a power-packed yoga. Now, again, I'm sharing my own experience. This is a combination that we must look where is your Taurus sign in your chart, in your horoscope. That particular house, whether it is house number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right up to house number 12. That particular house is going to get an impact. Talking about globally, or let us first talk about India, we all know that the Lagna of Bharat, Hindustan, India is Taurus itself. So this particular combination normally has been seen as, let us first understand what is Rahu. Rahu is a gaseous planet. It's all about illusion, deception. It's a booster. It tries to, whichever planet he's conjunct with, he will try to amplify, magnify the effect of that planet. Now Rahu is in nakshatra of Rohini, which is ruled by moon. Mars is in Kritika, which is ruled by sun. Mars is all about army, military, action, aggression, and Rahu on the other hand is illusion, deception. So together this combination I do not see as a good combination globally, and I personally see that there could be some military army standoff. And as I told you in my previous video, when I was talking about the 6th planet conjunction, I told you we need to see these conjunctions whenever it happens. For example, in 2019, when the conjunction on the 26th of December happened, there were again 5 planets together on the 25th of December, and the effect what we saw was not immediate. It was after the 26th, when even Saturn transited into Capricorn, we saw the COVID, we saw how we were under lockdown, how we were distancing with people, all that. And you know, the entire year of 2020, I would say, I don't have to say, we all know what the year was all about. This year is going to be remembered in the history of India. Similarly, the coming transit on the 22nd of February is also going to have an impact globally, as well as Indian politics, as well as the aggression at the border. All these things I also see. I have already told you water is going to play an important role. And now it is the sign, Taurus is a earthy sign, So I see it's going to be water, earth, ocean, river, and now because Mangal, Mars has come into it, it is definitely going to be something to do with action, weapon, fire, deceptions. And when I talk about deception, I am talking about whatever you see, okay, there is definitely a story behind something. Something else is cooking up. I wouldn't know. So let us keep our fingers crossed and wait and just pray to God. In my healing session in the evening, I always tell God, this is, I'm repeating again, that whatever I see in the coming weeks, few weeks, month or months, I want each and every prediction of mine to go wrong. I am ready to take negative comments. It's okay with me, but then I do not want to see any harm at any level to the people around the globe. Thank you for watching this video. Do like my video, share my video, and click on the notification bell icon as well. See you. Stay blessed. Stay positive. This combination is not for a very long time, but normally the conjunction is going to remain for at least 45 days. So let's wait and watch what happens post 22nd of February. Thank you so much. God bless you.